Students, in this topic, we are going to introduce a model that defines the variables moderating differences in domestic and international human resource management. As you are MS level students, you would know what is a moderating variable. A moderating variable, when comes into action, it increases or decreases the relationship between an independent and a dependent variable. Over here, the independent variable is domestic HRM and international HRM, and the dependent variable is your human resource practices. So the variables that affect domestic and international human resource management in terms of the HR issues faced in both these domains, that is comprising this model. There are 5 moderating variables that affect human resource issues comparing between domestic and international HRM. Number 1 is complexity of human resource management functions because of internationalization. This is something which we have discussed in the previous topic. The second variable is the cultural environment. The third variable is the industry in which the multinational corporation is primarily involved. Is it involved in retail? Is it involved in FMCGs? Is it involved in airline business? What type of business is conducted by the multinational organization? The fourth variable is extent of reliance of the multinational corporation on its home country domestic market, which means कि एक multinational organization अपनी domestic market में कितना उसका sales की utilization उसके domestic market के अंदर होती है. अगर उसकी domestic market बहुत बड़ी है तो उसका क्या effect होगा, और अगर domestic market exist नहीं करती, सिर्फ international operations से आप अपने profits जो हैं वो generate करते हैं, then it will be having a different type of effect. And finally, the fifth variable is attitude of the senior management. How do they take international human resource management, or in that matter, how do they take international functions? What is their mindset? So these are the 5 moderating variables which create the difference between domestic and international human resource management. If we look at that in the form of a diagram, over here you can see that these 5 moderating variables, they are affecting the domestic and international activities of human resource management. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा complexity होगी, वहाँ domestic और international human resource management का difference ज़्यादा होगा. जहाँ industry vary करेगी, कुछ industry में domestic और international human resource management का difference उतना नहीं होगा जितना किसी और तरह की industries में है, वो हम next topics में देखेंगे. उसके अलावा cultural environment आपका कितना different है. अगर ज़्यादा gap है, ज़्यादा difference है, then international और domestic HRM में variation आपको ज़्यादा नज़र आएगी. उसके अलावा अगर आपकी reliance अपनी domestic market में बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो आपकी home country का आपके international operations के ऊपर influence ज़्यादा होगा, और अगर आपकी domestic market के ऊपर reliance उस तरह से नहीं है, then you will have a different type of approach towards international human resource management. And finally, it is the attitudes of the senior management. आपके जो headquarters में management के लोग बैठे हैं, जो top management है, जो आपके board of directors हैं, वो आपके international operations को किस तरह से लेते हैं. अगर उनके attitudes जो हैं वो international orientation है उनकी, then they will have a different attitude towards IHRM, and if not, then they will try to mix it with domestic human resource management. So this model defines those moderating variables that creates a large difference between the domestic and international human resource management.